guys, it's me and today I'm going to show you how to make a hot squishy. Now what you're gonna need is some sellotape, sticky tape, some scissors, one piece of paper, and pillow stoppers to make it squishy. Okay, sorry, I have the hiccups. Now what you're gonna make first, and some coloring pencils. You take some red, then you're gonna fold this in half, the paper. Then you're gonna make it's folded in half. Then you're gonna make a red heart. Can be big or small. Okay guys, I'm done coloring it in with it. Then I just drew a smiley face. Doesn't look that good, but I'm not a professional. Then while we were folding it in half, because now we're gonna cut it. So cut it beautifully. If you are subscribed, please comment down below notification squad so I can know who you are and give you a shout out. Every third day I'll give a shout out to someone, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to get more videos from me. So as you can see, it's two. There's my smile and this. So you're gonna put it like this. Yeah. Then you're gonna take your sticky tape and paste it on. Okay, just keep on doing that. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. Just 3 or 4 on every row. And make sure to bring it. Okay, I'm done doing that. Then you're going to see it's a... Then you're going to take your pillow stoppers and push it in here. It will close in. Okay, I'm done pushing all in. Then you just have to close it with the sticky tape. Then you're going to see all the stuff is going to be out there and all of that. Then you're just going to cut the pieces off. Okay, then you're just going to cut everything off. Okay guys, I'm done, and this how it's turned out. Look, and it's very squishy, but don't bend it like a normal squishy. Just push it like this and that. So that was a success, and I watched this video from Mickey DIY. So go check out her channel, and till next time. And please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please hit the notification bell that you can get more videos from me. So till next time, bye.